Hi, and welcome to zipBoard. My name is Sha, and I am one of the team members here. At zipBoard, we are transforming the way AEC teams collaborate and manage their projects. In this free demo, I will show you how zipBoard's innovative document management and collaboration tools are revolutionizing the industry. With zipBoard, AEC teams can say goodbye to the headaches of scattered documents and inefficient workflows. Gone are the days of endless emails and confusing file versions. zipBoard's intuitive platform brings all your project information together in one place, making collaboration effortless. RFIs, submittals, and revisions are all centralized, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Whether you're in the office or out in the field, zipBoard keeps your team connected and productive. From architects and engineers to contractors and clients, zipBoard empowers everyone to work smarter, not harder. Join the hundreds of AEC teams already streamlining their workflows with zipBoard. You can actually try zipBoard for free today by starting a free trial or sign up for the demo and see how we can help your team build better together. As a project manager, in order for you to build your own zipBoard team space, you have to sign up at zipBoard to create your account. In here, you have multiple choices. It's either you sign in with Google, with Microsoft, or you can just create an account by clicking this one. Now, the dashboard is your central hub. You see here all of your projects at one glance, and each of the projects has its own dedicated workspace, kind of like a digital war room. Here is where the magic begins. This is where you can share files, discuss ideas, and keeping everyone on the same page. Speaking of sharing, zipBoard can handle pretty much any file you throw at it. Drawings, models, documents, you name it. You can simply click on the add content right here or in the side and select the type of file or asset that you wish to upload. Alright, so once you're done adding all of the important files that you wish to review, you can then create phases to specify the status of these documents, and you can add collaborators. So these are the people who are part of your team and who will be reviewing these assets. You can do so by clicking this one and typing their email address or by copying the invite link. Now, whenever there is a new update about the projects or the asset that you have right here, you will get notified by clicking this bell icon. And if you wish to expand the notification, you can do so by clicking this little drop down. So, let us start reviewing a particular content, like this one. You can click this, and this will open another tab. And this is your review dashboard. All of the annotation tools that are available for this asset is located in the left-hand side of your screen. Let's discuss them one by one. You can use the rectangle icon, and you can add your comment right here. If you wish to edit your comment, just click this pencil icon or delete this comment. You could also change the opacity of this comment. For pencil icon, you can switch into two modes, the pencil mode or the highlight mode, and selecting the thickness of the pencil. This highlighter only works for text. So if you wish to highlight a specific area, you can click on highlight mode. You could also utilize this arrow icon to be very specific on what you're pointing to. There's also an option for you to add text inside a file. You can click that and type what you wish to type in right here. You also have multiple options on this side. Just highlight this one and change the font size, and click these options right here. This eraser icon basically deletes the annotations that were made inside a file. In addition to that, you also have different types of stamps in this side. You can select a signature, check mark, a timestamp, or this one. We also have this hiding all pop-ups. So if you're going to click this, all of the annotations will be hidden. You can click this again to show the annotations that you've made. This camera icon has two options. It's either you record a video. You can select from the options right here if you'd like to. Then you can start recording. Or you can actually screenshot this view and you can annotate it separately. Once you're done screenshotting, this is what it would look like. You will see this green lines at the side of the screenshot. Let's exit this one for now. You can also click on slideshow where it opens another tab. From here, you will see the captures that you've made. So these are where your comments are mostly located. You can click any of the captures and you can add more annotations if you would like to. This one specifies the status of this content. Lastly, this is disabling comments. What this means is you can add annotations without having the need to add comments on that drawing. Once you're done reviewing your submittals, you can view all of the comments associated in this asset by clicking this task icon, revealing all of the comments made. Now you can click on any of these comments to locate where that is located, or you can utilize these filters to specify the comments from specific author or the sources. External are those people who are outside your zipBoard team. These are guest reviewers or clients. Since we're done reviewing, let's now go back to our project dashboard. Alright, let's explore some other stuff right here. If you click a specific submittals, you can actually share this file to be reviewed by clients or other external stakeholders. You can do so by clicking the share button. You can enter their email ID. You can set permissions. It's either you want them to access with a password, if you want them to view the other comments made by other people, or you can set an expiry date, or if you wish to require them to sign up or log in, you can do so. Another is you can delete this. You could also assign this to multiple team members, the due date, and the description of this submittal. So what happens to all of the tasks that we've created during the review process? If you are part of the internal team or a collaborator or any collaborators in your team, all of their comments are located here in the task list. You have here the important details. You could also customize what you wish to see. We have here several filters for faces, files, assignments, all of those good stuff. You could also import a CSV or download a CSV for all of the tasks that you have in this part. Please know that you can also add tasks without having the need to review a specific submittals. You can just add something right here. You can add more descriptions and mention your team member by clicking the Add button. Inside the task, you will see multiple options. You can select the status, the type, priority and due date, the faces, tags for easier searching, or you can nominate a watcher, which is also part of your team member. So any changes made here in a task, any comments or replies, the watcher will be notified. Additionally, you will see here all the details when this task was created. On the other hand, let us say, for example, you've shared a link to a client or to external stakeholders. Where do we see those comments? Here in the external feedback. The good thing about this is you do have the option to make this as a task or just ignore the comment. For example, this one, if you click on a specific comment, you will see here by clicking that arrow and it will open a new tab where that comment is located. If you think a certain comment is deemed as a task, you can click this button and click yes. Now you can add more details right here. Unlike in the uploads where you can assign a certain submittal to multiple users, for tasks, you could only assign one person at a time. And all of the external comments that you've approved will actually be located in this side, and you can see the external banner. In the task list, you could also switch this one to Kanban mode, or you can stick with the table mode. Another thing is that you can message people inside your team by clicking this messages tab, and you can also make here announcement about your project. Alright, let's say we're done with all of the process. Please know that we have reports dedicated for each of the project that you have right here. Or we have a report dedicated to the entire project that you have in your organization where you're part of. And that's it. Super simple and straightforward utilization of zipBoard as your tool in managing your submittals and RFIs. I hope I was able to help you, and if you do have any questions, do not hesitate to email us. Have a great day.